Here's a little dried flower farm update. It's starting to fill out a bit, which is nice to see. This white gomphrena is really starting to take off, but most of the stems are kind of short, but I should probably harvest some just to keep the plants pushing out new growth. And there is some more straw flower starting to push its way through. This variety is the Giant King Orange, I believe. I definitely still want to add more to this space. I still have plenty of time, and some of my straw flower from last year overwintered, so even if it's slow going, at least I'll have things more established for next year. But yeah, this white gomphrena is really starting to take off, and then it looks like I just have one Strawberry Fields gomphrena over here. I wish I had more because I really love the bright color. And then moving along over here, I have some bunny tails, but I don't see any action on them yet, but hopefully I will soon because I think they will add a nice dimension to some arrangements. This straw flower is really pretty and I want to cut it to help promote new growth on the plant, but the stem is short, but it will be okay for a mini bouquet, and again, it'll help promote new growth if I cut it. And the cool thing about straw flowers is that you can cut them at different stages for different looks in your arrangements. I definitely like to cut them before they start to go to seed though, because then it's a fluffy mess. But hey, then you might end up with some really nice volunteer plants. The celosia over here is coming along really nicely. I really like this bright red color, and then the Chief Red Flame celosia is also doing nicely. I am going to cut some of this white gomphrena, and I'm choosing just the ones with the longest stems for now to give the others a chance to grow out a bit more. And then I'll go ahead and snip off this Strawberry Fields one as well. And these two little pink ones here. Alright, and I am going in for this straw flower, and I'm trying to leave as much of the stem on the flower head as I possibly can because it is a shorter stem. Okay, there we go. And this one actually has two heads on it at different stages, so that's kind of cool. Okay, and this is all that I harvested today. Not bad. And even though I made a mini arrangement, I'm not tied to keeping it exactly this way. This just happens to be what I harvested today, but I love these colors together. So now, of course, I'll trim the excess foliage off and then hang it all upside down to dry. I did buy a nice rack for drying my flowers, but I need to find a better spot to hang that up. So right now I am just using my storage shelf in my garage to let them dry upside down out of sunlight to retain their color. Hopefully I'll have lots more to dry soon.